BA. And this is, I'll try to call a bottom on this one. So let's see what's going on. I think this one is being controlled by the longer time frames. So I'll say either the monthly or the weekly. If you go to the weekly, look at the area right here. Right here we have, right? That's where the
Support.
that's what the volume is, right? And here's the other one, right? So it's 330 by 379. Granted, we went a little bit below to where? Well, surprise, 320, right? So we have this excess, to put it that way. So what I'm looking at is like, probably I will consider this one to be, this was, I don't know what the news was because I wasn't trading last year, but this is like the end of the last year, right? Now, what I was talking to someone not too long ago, and I pointed to this person and I said, look what I did after we held in here. Like, we held in here, we
Right.
held in here, we held in here. Is that a pattern?
Support.
We come in here, we come in here. Yes, it may be broken, so I want to see it really break, right? Because again, we go back to the example that we were analyzing for uh, Amazon last week or last time, right? So you're gonna be the guy shorting Boeing at 320, and where are you gonna find support? Like these buyers right here, these guys that love it at 310, right here, in here. So you have all these tails. Look at all the people buying at 310,
Yeah.
right? So you're gonna be the guy 310, 320, 310. That's it. Okay, that's trading. That's trading. You can do that. You can totally do that, right? But I want to be kicking myself if after I've seen this chart, I don't have any kind of exposure for a move at
Long.
least to 350.
Right. Okay. What you
That's
do now, right? You're long.
that that's my thesis. Yeah, yeah. I closed. I bought Fridays and I already closing today, and I show you why I closing today. And but yeah, I do have February. I think we discussed today. So this is that's the bigger picture for Boeing, the weekly chart. And remember, it's everything what if scenarios. So we don't have a crystal ball in here, guys. We just trying to analyze what is it. What if we break 320? Fine, get a stop and short. No big deal, right? So take your trade, whatever it is. So this is what happens. And guess what? I brought this to the team yesterday to your attention. Everybody should be looking at this. Look at the volume right here. Look at the volume the last 2 days. How do we know if support or resistance are very strong? It was tested on massive volume and it held. Not even here. Look at the volume, lower, right? But this little
Yeah.
tail, this move right here, look at this little hammer. Look at all the volume that he saw. It was pretty much the same as this one right here. And I know this tail, and I don't want to get into candlesticks because that's not the purpose of the meeting. We're just talking levels and everything. But if you go and see this tail, what happened that day, you're gonna see that there were a lot of buyers in the morning, and then some news came and they closed it down. The following day, they gap it down. They trapped a lot of bulls, to put it that way, but they won the battle. Now where we are, we came to 335, which is I bought 315, guys, 325s. I'm sorry, 325s. So 335 today for me was 10 points. I'm out. That was from yesterday.
That was in weeklies.
Yeah, that was in weeklies. That was
Yeah, that's
that was
nice.
expiration Friday. So now I have position, but I have three. I don't remember what I told Stevie. I gotta look at that. Anyways, I'm aiming for the. Let me go back right here because it's gonna be fast. Um, Nothing spectacular. It's not like they're gonna be taking all the business from Airbus. I'm looking at 350 right here, 340, 350.
Right. Yeah,
That's
just like halfway up the range, basically.
uh, the range is 320 to 380 almost. So we're talking about 60 cents. All I want is 20 to 30 cents. I mean, 20 to $30. So 30% of that, right? Let's see if we got anything. So I'm right here. So I'm looking at, if we get 15 guys, right? So that's why I called it yesterday and I say that might be a bottom. Two things, candle formations and the volume and massive support. So that's one. So we're going to be looking at Boeing. If you want, we got a line in the sand at 328 and we got 335. Sorry, 328 by 335 on Boeing. That's when I closed it today when we couldn't break 335. So it is right there. We want to be playing 335. Actually, look at this. I haven't seen this. It's like 336 too, 336.21. And then we got, I think this is a great line right here, guys. 329, 330. Let's put it
Okay.
more clear, even more clear. Look at that, right? So I think we have a solid range to work with in Boeing. So BA 330, and I don't usually trade Boeing because I don't like it, but when I see an opportunity, I try to take advantage of that. Okay, so 335,
So
330, and we work. Mm-hmm.
over 336 can close that little overnight gap here up to 342. It looks like.
Correct.
Yeah, there we go. Nice.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then to the downside, you're gonna have trouble, right? You're gonna have 330, 328, 326, 322, and the buyers at 320. So
Right.
just know exactly what is it you're doing. And so that's Boeing.